Hey guys, what will you be snacking on this Christmas period with your family? Today I introduce to you how to make Ghana buns Bofrot. And here are the things we are going to be using. I will be leaving the ingredients and the measurements in the description box below. So feel free to check it out, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. I have some flour, some butter. The measurement will be in the description box. I have 1 egg, and I will be using nutmeg. If you can't find nutmeg, you can use a dash of cinnamon powder. I have some fresh yeast. You can use dry yeast as well. 1 pack of this fresh yeast is equivalent to 30 grams of dry yeast. And I have some pinch of salt here, and I also have like 1 tablespoon of turmeric to color the bun. I will also be using some vanilla essence, and I have powdered sugar and warm milk over here. Yes, I warmed my milk because of the yeast, to be able to activate the yeast. So let's get right into the video. Inside my bowl, I'll be using mixer today because my body doesn't need any stress this Christmas period. So I just added my sugar. Now I will just start with the dry ingredients first, and I will be grating in the nutmeg. Not all of them though, but a reasonable amount of nutmeg. Like I said earlier, if you don't have nutmeg, you can use a dash of cinnamon powder. Then I'll be cutting in half of the yeast. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're a Ghana subscriber, please let me know what you think about this recipe. Hope I got it right. So the next thing I will be adding is the turmeric, salt, and the butter. And after adding them, cover the machine and mix till everything is well combined, just like so. You can use your hand and mix this. If you don't have a mixer, you can use hand mixer as well. And after mixing it, I'll be cracking in 1 egg. And I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla as well. I'll be adding the milk. Then I cover the machine and mix this very well. After a few seconds, I will open it and scrape around the bowl to make sure that everything is well combined. Then once I'm done doing that, I will cover and mix it again. Then after mixing it for like 5 minutes max, then I will open it, scrape everything down inside the bowl, then take out the mixer, and you see the consistency is not thick, is not watery. This is exactly what you are looking for. So I just use my cling film and cover the pan or the bowl. Then I will use towel and place on top of it because you don't want light to reflect on it. I will leave it to stay for 40 minutes till it doubles in size. And it's better you leave it in a warm place. If you leave it in a cold place, it will take time to double in size. So, and after that, I will give it another mix to take out the air bubbles in it. And once I'm done mixing it for 2 minutes, the air bubbles might have disappeared. You can knead this on top of your counter. If you don't have a mixer, just use your hand and knead it. Then I will cover it again for like 20 minutes, and I will still put on the clothes on top of it or the towel. And while waiting for it, I will start heating up the oil. And we are deep frying, so I'll be adding enough oil. My hands are washed, and after 20 minutes, I will start throwing it inside the oil, just like so. Make sure your hands are totally washed because of germs. Fry on a medium heat on one side for some minutes, and once it starts changing color, you flip it to the other side. I will keep flipping it till it is well fried and till I get a desired color. And after that, once it's ready like this, I will start scooping it out one by one. And if I scoop it out, I put it on top of my rack for it to remain warm while consuming it. But if you want it to cool down fast, don't keep it on top of your rack, your frying pan rack. Just put it aside on another plate, okay? But make sure you line the plate with a paper towel. And that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching, guys, and hope you will try this out. If you try it out, please let me know. When we were small, we don't joke with Ghana buns in Nigeria, Enugu State precisely, Edo River. We don't joke with Ghana buns. And this is how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, and see you in my next one.